Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn how to make this cool effect for the music videos. This effect is actually very simple but looks very effective. I already have a clip prepared on the timeline. The first thing we need to do is duplicate this clip. For this, just click on the clip, hold down Alt or an Option key on the Mac and drag it to the higher layer. After that, right mouse click on the clip and choose Speed Duration and put lower value in the speed window, just like 95%. You might do it slower or even faster. So speed is 95 and just press OK. So we need to choose when effect will start and will end. Simply trim effect when you need it to start. And here will be the end of the effect. Trim the clip. Great! Now go to the effect controls and choose 50 for the opacity. All we have to do is just slowly start effect. Go to the effects panel and search for the dissolve effect. Drag and drop cross dissolve to the beginning of our clip and in the end. So this way effect will slowly start and slowly ends. That's it, our effect is ready. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and have a nice day. And if you like this video, there is a link in the description of this video and you can donate me and help the channel grow.